Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Aisen Lee. I'm with MSA Models in LA. Recently, a lot of people have been asking me on Instagram, wanting to know how they can become models too. So today, I want to make this video to help out all the aspiring models out there so you guys can get signed with agencies as well. Now, it's important to have an agency represent you if you want to work with big name brands or major clients, such as JCPenney, Nike, Adidas, Calvin Klein, to name a few. Because those brands and clients have to go through the agencies to find models like you and me. Big name brands or big clients aren't just gonna walk down the street and see a guy or girl and say, "Oh, hey dude," or "Hey girl, you look good. You wanna be in my commercial next month?" "Yeah? Well, great, hop in the van." No, that's just shady. That's why you need to find yourself an agency, so that kind of stuff doesn't happen to you. That's the kind of stuff that ends up on the news, man. I can see it in the headlines right now. Aspiring model gets kidnapped by random dude. So today I'm going to share with you 2 ways on how you can find an agency through open calls and online submissions. And without further ado, let's get it started. One way to get signed with the agency is by physically going to the agency and talking with the agents. Now this process is called the open call, and they usually have open calls every week or every month, depending on the agency. Now the second way to get signed with the agency is by submitting photos of yourself to their website. Now this process is called online submissions. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to show you where to go to find these open calls. So first you want to do is go to models.com, and then on top it says agencies, and you want to click on modeling agencies on the left. There you go. And then you got to find the agency closest to your city. So if you're in America, in LA, so go to the United States, you want to find the state, California. And over here you see all the agencies in LA that's reputable. So for this example, I'm gonna click LA Models. Boom. And you want to go to their website on the left, lamodels.com. Click that. And then on top you see LA Models, women, men, youth, social, about, press, and become a model. And this is where you want to click become a model. And then boom, there you go. Open calls. So apparently LA Models has open calls every Monday and Wednesday from 3 to 4 p.m. And this is the address you want to go to. Just show up there on Wednesday or Monday from 3 to 4 and bring your pictures and measurements. So if you're not sure what to wear, I would suggest for guys, just wear a white t-shirt and some blue jeans, denims, and some casual shoes such as Vans or Converse. And for girls, you could do the same, but you can also wear heels. But one thing they don't tell you is that if you're a girl, you shouldn't really wear a lot of makeup because they want to see you as natural as possible. So if you have to, I guess wear a little bit of concealer and maybe a little eyeliner. That's about it. They don't want to see like a full-blown makeup. I mean, you're not going there to be a makeup guru, right? Okay, so yeah, that's how you go to the open calls. And if you go back to models.com, you can see other agencies, and they should have their information there as well about like when they're hosting open calls and stuff like that. Okay, so let's go over online submissions now. So if you want to submit yourself online, this is what you need to do. Go to models.com like before. Click over to agencies and click on modeling agencies. Boom. And then find the agency in your city. In this case, I'm gonna go to LA again, United States, California. And for this example, I'm gonna click Wilhelmina. Boom. And then I'm gonna go to the left and click on their website. Okay, and then I'm gonna click Los Angeles. And right here, as you can see, different categories they have. And I'm gonna move over to the right and click Submit Photos under Willie Scouts. And boom, there you go. You see, this is where you fill in all the information like name, address, phone number, and email. And I guess measurements over here. But at the bottom, this is the most important part, the pictures. because the agents aren't gonna see you in person. It's important to have really good pictures. They don't have to be professional, just very clear pictures. For example, a nice clean background, a very lit picture, nothing in the shadow. They want to be able to see you clearly without you being there. So for example, over here on the bottom, they have a headshot, 3/4 shot, full body shot, and the upper body shot. And these are the pictures you want to send to the agency. Just like that. Nothing special, nothing posing, no flexing, you know. I mean, you could flex your abs, but not like a bodybuilder though. So also no selfies. If you're gonna post selfies, I don't think they're gonna take you very seriously. After you're done sending the pictures, you just want to click submit on the bottom of the page, and boom, you're done. So now you can go ahead and sit back and enjoy, or you can go ahead and submit to other agencies and do the same thing. And this is what I like about the online submissions, because you don't have to really go outside or like wait in line for people to see you. You can just submit yourself on the internet anywhere you want and just wait for them to contact you back. So yeah, good luck, and that's how you submit yourself online. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys found this information helpful. If you did, drop me a like, hit that subscribe button for more amazing content like this one. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer everyone's questions. Alright, that's it for me. See you guys next time.